This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Creative wooden designs are not just about beauty or artistic expression, they are practical tools for building real, lasting profit. In today's market, people are searching for products that feel authentic, useful, and meaningful, and wood naturally fulfills all of these desires. When creativity is combined with smart thinking and consistency, wooden designs can sell quickly while also laying the foundation for long-term income. In this narration, we explore how creative wooden ideas move fast in the market and how they grow into dependable profit over time. Creative wooden designs sell fast because they solve everyday problems while appealing to emotion. People do not buy wooden items only because they are made of wood, they buy them because they feel warm, natural, and trustworthy. A creative design takes a common need, such as storage, organization, or decoration, and presents it in a way that feels thoughtful and human. This immediate connection encourages faster buying decisions and reduces hesitation. One key reason creative wooden designs perform well is their balance between function and simplicity. The fastest-selling wooden products are often simple in structure but refined in detail. Clean lines, smooth finishes, and solid construction communicate quality instantly. Customers may not understand woodworking techniques, but they can feel when a product is well made. This feeling builds trust, and trust leads to quick sales. Another advantage of creative wooden designs is their adaptability. A single idea can be transformed into multiple products by adjusting size, shape, or finish. For example, a basic wooden shelf can become a kitchen organizer, a bathroom rack, or a workspace solution. This flexibility allows makers to serve different markets without constantly inventing new ideas. Over time, the designs that sell best become clear, guiding production toward reliability and stability. Long-term profit depends on repeatability. Creative wooden designs that can be produced consistently without losing quality are the ones that build sustainable income. Once a design is tested and proven, production becomes smoother and faster. Materials are used more efficiently, mistakes decrease, and time is managed better. This consistency turns creativity into a system rather than a gamble. Emotional value plays a powerful role in long-term success. Wooden products often carry meaning beyond their function. They may represent care, tradition, or a connection to nature. When a customer feels emotionally connected to a product, they are more likely to return, recommend it to others, and trust future designs from the same maker. This emotional loyalty supports long-term profit far more than one-time sales. Creative wooden designs also benefit from modern lifestyle trends. Many people are moving away from disposable items and choosing products that last longer. Wood fits perfectly into this mindset. Designs that emphasize durability, sustainability, and timeless style remain relevant even as trends change. This longevity protects income and reduces the pressure to constantly chase new fashions. Pricing confidence is another factor in long-term profitability. Well-designed wooden products allow makers to price fairly without racing to the bottom. When quality and creativity are visible, customers understand the value behind the price. Long-term profit is built by respecting one's own work and maintaining standards, not by underpricing to compete. Creative wooden designs also scale more easily than large furniture projects. Small and medium-sized items are easier to produce, store, photograph, and ship. This makes them ideal for both local and online markets. Faster production and easier distribution help designs sell quickly while keeping operational stress low. Sustainable growth comes from manageable workloads, not constant pressure. Feedback plays a crucial role in refining creative designs. Customers naturally reveal what works through their purchases and comments. Small improvements based on real use often make a design stronger and more appealing. This ongoing refinement keeps products competitive and relevant, supporting long-term profit without dramatic changes. Brand identity grows naturally when creative designs remain consistent. Over time, customers begin to recognize a maker's style and associate it with quality and reliability. This recognition reduces the need for constant promotion and builds trust automatically. A recognizable creative identity becomes a valuable asset that strengthens income year after year. Skill development also fuels profitability. Repeating creative designs improves craftsmanship, accuracy, and finishing quality. Better skills increase product value without increasing material costs. As quality improves, prices can rise gradually, strengthening profit margins while maintaining customer satisfaction. Creative wooden designs are powerful because they allow growth at a healthy pace. Makers can expand production slowly, test new ideas safely, and adapt without risking quality. This balanced growth protects both income and passion, ensuring that woodworking remains rewarding rather than exhausting. Ultimately, creative wooden designs succeed because they combine imagination with discipline. When creativity is guided by purpose, structure, and patience, wooden products become reliable income tools rather than unpredictable experiments. Each design builds on the last, creating momentum that supports long-term success. Creative wooden designs sell fast because they combine usefulness with emotional appeal, two elements that strongly influence buying decisions. People do not simply buy wooden products for decoration, they buy them because these items improve daily life while adding warmth and character to their spaces. Wood has a natural ability to feel trustworthy and familiar, which immediately increases customer confidence. When a design is creative but still practical, it feels like a smart purchase rather than an unnecessary expense, and this perception helps products move quickly in the market. Speed of sales is closely tied to problem solving. Wooden designs that address common issues such as clutter, limited space, or lack of organization tend to sell faster than purely decorative pieces. A creative design does not need to be complex to stand out. Often, a small improvement in structure, proportion, or usability makes a familiar item feel new and valuable. Customers appreciate designs that show thoughtful intention, especially when they simplify routines or make everyday tasks easier. Simplicity plays a major role in both fast sales and long-term profit. Clean, simple designs are easier for customers to understand at first glance, which reduces hesitation and speeds up buying decisions. From a maker's perspective, simplicity also allows for faster production and fewer errors. When designs are streamlined, materials are used efficiently and time is managed better. This balance between simplicity and creativity protects profit margins while maintaining visual appeal. Long-term profit depends heavily on consistency. Creative wooden designs that can be produced repeatedly without losing quality are the foundation of sustainable income. Once a design has proven its value in the market, it becomes an asset. Repeating the same design improves skill, accuracy, and speed, which naturally increases profitability. Over time, production becomes smoother, and effort shifts from constant experimentation to reliable output. Creative wooden designs that sell fast and build long-term profit are created through thoughtful choices, consistent effort, and respect for craftsmanship. When creativity serves real needs and quality remains a priority, woodcraft becomes more than a skill, it becomes a sustainable path toward independence and growth. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.